Morning. It's Nancy today. That's tipping my hat. I don't have a hat on. I have gotten all the ingredients out, and I'm actually going to cook for you on this lovely clean surface, like other people do. Okay, so we're going to make today frosted, but we're not going to use pumpkin. We're going to use carrots because I don't have any pumpkin. But what I do have is dried carrots. You see? My dried diced carrots. See? So what I've done, I've taken them and I have put them with 1 time more water, twice as much water, and then I blended them up in the blender. So that is going to be my carrots, because you can substitute vegetables for other vegetables. Okay, so here we go. So first, it calls for 3/4 of a cup of butter or margarine. So I already have that in here, I think. I've doubled the recipe. Oh wait, I can't double the recipe. Yes, I can, because it calls for 4 eggs and I have 8 eggs. Okay, so we will start out with mix butter and sugar with electric mixer. So we've got our, wait a minute, 3/4 and 3/4 is 6/4, which is 1.5 cups. Okay, so 3/4 is 1.5 sticks. So I have 3 sticks in here. Okay, I melted it because it was frozen. 2 cups of granulated sugar. We have here our sugar. Some people would have already put it together in little containers, but I thought I was doing pretty good just to get it all over here to the freezer, because I don't really care. Okay, so we'll use our 1 cup measuring cup. It wants 2 cups. We're going to double it, so it's going to be 4 cups. Oh, come on, no. Oh dear. Every time I stick it under my neck, it zooms. I do have trouble like that. I should go out to the car and get the tripod, but then I can't turn it every time I do something. 3, 4. Okay, 4 cups of sugar. That goes with our 1.5 cups of... Uh-oh, but I only made 1 time enough carrots, so we're going to make it twice as much. Guess I should dump this into something else. Let's get something else to dump it into. Here is a something else. Okay, let's dump. Okay, so now we're going to put in again an accurate measure, you see. Half a cup. Is that a half a cup? No, that's 1 cup. Okay, well, I guess it's not going to be that accurate now. So now I'll have to add 2 cups of water. I added too much water, but that's okay, because now I'm going to let these sit here and get bigger. I could chop them. That'll help them rehydrate faster. Okay, so we have here sugar in that. Mix butter and sugar with the electric mixer. You know, now I usually mix with a spoon, and so I can't find 2 of these. I can only find 1, but you know, a spoon only goes so fast, and this will go faster, even though it's only 1. I bet you didn't think that you could. You probably thought, oh, I only have 1, I can't use my mixer. But look at that, it's working. You have to compare it to not 2 mixers, 2 of them, but you have to compare it to something else, like perhaps none, like a spoon. Okay, that's mixed. Okay, now we will move on to 1 can of pumpkin. We don't have a can of pumpkin. It's 16 ounces. 8 ounces in our cup, so it's 2 cups of pumpkin. So we need to have double that. So we're going to have 4 cups. We've already got some in there. Just because I'm not patient enough to wait for 5 minutes. It says on there, wait for 5 minutes or something. Oh. 1 measure of carrots to 2 measures of cool water. Drain off excess water after 20 minutes. What does that mean? I mean, does that mean I can't video this? See, it's not thick enough yet. Let's measure this. This does not look like there is much to take off. Okay, so we have to do, let's move our book so we don't ruin this page as well as all the other pages we've already ruined. This is from my cream cheese book, you know, my Philadelphia cream cheese cookbook. Yay, it cost me $12.99. That's a pretty good deal. This thing has, it actually retails for, oh, it doesn't say on there. Okay, so let's measure this. We need 2 cups, we need 4 cups. So let's measure our cup. This doesn't even look like it's going to be more than 1 cup, does it? Okay, it's 1 cup and a little bit. 1. I have a question. Do you think I should paint my cupboards? They're looking pretty rotten. Do you think I should stain them or paint them a color? And if I should paint them a color, what color should I paint them? See, I also have cupboards over there, which you can't see. Oh, there you can. If I get rid of the window. Should I paint them, and what color should I paint them? Okay, so I've almost got 2 cups here, but not quite. Let's put that there. Okay, maybe I have to work on this a little longer. So it gets air in it underneath, and then it won't get on the blade. Okay, it looks like I'm going to run out of time in a moment. I think that's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to have any excess. I don't think I do. You know, when you mix them up like this, when you grind them up, the water goes away. It makes them softer. I think it's better. So we're going to use it like this. But you're about to turn off. So in part 2, we will continue. Goodbye.